Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can restore your deleted photos and photos in your. So how you can restore your deleted photos and videos in your Tecno smartphone. So let's get started, friends. First, you have to open your gallery. Here it is AI gallery. Tap on here, click on albums. Scroll down. Here it is recently deleted. So you can check here it is uh, one photo and one video. So you have to just long press it to recover or permanently delete it. So you can just click on recover, and you can see two files are recovered successfully. So you have to recover within 30 days. After that it will be permanently deleted, and you can check it is showing in this, like, click on this and you can see it is showing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.